The session is going to know the demonstration of cluster using K-means technique. In this experiment, we can illustrate the Irish data set for clustering the data in Vika tool. Here we can to open the dataset Iris datasheet. There are two types of Iris dataset are included in Veka database. We choose one dataset, that is irish.arff, and open the dataset. These are the attributes are happen in the dataset. Spal length, width, and petals length and width and its classes. Here the four attributes, first four attributes are in numeric type and class only have nominal value. In for cluster process, we have to group the data into small part based on the distance. We have to cluster the data set. Here, after getting the data set, we have to cluster the data under the cluster tab and choose the cluster as a simple K-means cluster. Once we have to move on the menu, the corresponding K-means usages and its objectives can be displayed in the yellow window. It can be either in Euclidean distance. If the distance can be measured based on centroid distance or and which can be computed as a component wise in random manner. So the details of the simple K-means can be displayed under whatever we move on the corresponding menu, it will be displayed. Then the attributes, what are the attributes it can be applicable for clustering techniques, that also it will be mentioned in the description. And class has a no class and interfaces is a randomized, and applicable attributes are binary attributes, nominal, missing values, numerical attributes, and unary attributes. Then empty nominal attributes. These attributes are accepted in simple K-means cluster. So just we choose the simple K-means. So in data structure, the type must maybe in nominal or numerical or non-empty nominal. Uh, these are types can be applicable in K-means cluster for analyzing the data. And then when we choose the K-means cluster, the graphical editor can be displayed. So generic object editor can be displayed. Here we can choose the distance function as a Euclidean distance from first to last attribute, and if we want to replace the missing value, means we have to replace the missing value. Don't here the label it denotes don't replace missing value, so it contains false because the unwanted values can be removed automatically. Then first distance calculation be made by true. Then initialize method can be choose in random wise. We have to choose. Then number of cluster, maximum number of cluster. We denote 10 or 20. So just I give 10 number of cluster I need. So I denote 10 numbers, and the maximum iteration default by It represents 500. It's okay enough. Then click OK. Then in cluster mode, we can choose the use training set and store the clusters for visualization. We select the option and start the cluster. When we start the cluster, the visualization of the cluster can be stored in the result, and also the output can be displayed here. For instant, totally 150 instant and 5 attributes, and for 150 instant they taken 6 iterations randomly, and it forms 10 cluster, and the time taken is 0 second, and the cluster instance can be merged by this type. Then the full data attribute of a cluster can be displayed of each attribute in the main form, distance formation. Then we have to visualize the cluster format. We can choose the visualize cluster assignment. The formation of cluster can be viewed in the x-axis and y-axis. In x-axis represent the instance number. 150 instance can be stored in the data set. So the 150 instance can be mentioned in x-wise, and y-wise the cluster formation. For the cluster formation, we can find, we choose here the y-axis. Finally, after cluster the data set, the cluster formation can be merged in the result. So we choose the cluster, how many groups can be carried out during the runtime. Then it will be displayed in jitter format. That is, this is one of the cluster, this is one of the cluster, this is one of the cluster. In the color formation vary for 10 cluster, and easily identified how many number of clusters are formed in the graph. So this is one of the type for analyzing the data using simple k-means. Thank you.